CargoTech Pro is a modular containment system to help you organize and keep your gear upright in the truck bed. To install CargoTech Pro without the use of additional wood planks, simply arrange the corner pieces as needed around the cargo area. For smaller items, simply place two pieces together diagonally. To install the CargoTech Pro using wood planks, start by identifying the camlock openings. If you're using 1x6 planks, use the upper openings. If you're using 1x4 planks, use the lower openings. Insert the camlocks into the preferred openings from the outside and keep them in the horizontal position. Then, angle the plank into the channel and tip it into place under the horizontal camlocks and within the channel wall. Slide the plank within the lower channel until you've reached the desired position. Then, secure the plank by turning the camlocks until they're vertical and facing down. To install the CargoTech Pro with wood planks that are wider than 1x6, start by identifying the screw holes. Then, angle the plank into the channel and tip it into place within the channel wall. Slide the plank until you've reached the desired position. Use the screw holes to drill screws into the wood plank, securing it to the CargoTech Pro. Congratulations! Your CargoTech Pro is now installed.